started my career using low-level light therapy, which is using light, which is a form of energy, and understanding the energy continuum. Everything is energy, sound, light, heat. When you look at all of those things and how energy affects the body, bioenergetics makes sense. Everything in the body moves, every cell moves, therefore if it moves, it has a measurable, quantifiable vibrational pattern. Why bioenergetics? To me, after using laser therapy for so long, moving into this field of using energy to create a positive biological change in the body just made sense. And I have seen the phenomenal, significant results of people who choose to use this pathway for a greater sense of healing. So that's why bioenergetics is vital for your health. Before I started using bioenergetics, I've always had a host of health issues, many health issues. Through using bioenergetics and understanding how your body responds to different energy sources, I have managed to eradicate many of the issues that have been plaguing me before getting into bioenergetics. But I understand how energy affects the human body now. And when your body learns to respond the way it should, healing is so much quicker. And it allows you to do so many more things than what you could do before. Before looking at bioenergetics, I have seen pretty much everything from heart rate variability to some of the other, scan systems. I haven't found anything as comprehensive as what we use now. There's nothing out there that comes close to the access and the doors that can open as a result of using bioenergetics. Since incorporating bioenergetics into my life, I will tell you, people who know me, I'm a chronic runner and I had many, many, many injuries. My joke is I actually have a shirt that says, been there, tore that, had it repaired. What bioenergetics has allowed me to do is if I get hurt or injured, it has allowed me to come up with a protocol to reverse the damage in a much healthier fashion, with no pharmaceuticals, with nothing that's going to have long-lasting side effects. So there's already been times where I've been injured on a Monday and by Thursday I'm back out running. And that's the key that people need to understand. People look at me today and go, oh, you're going to be 56 and you're still running, a half marathon. Yes, why not? Because we can. And if you put the right protocols in place for your body and understand how the body works, you can overcome a lot of things. Once you start using bioenergetics, if your body is open to it, you can experience positive results almost instantly. Now, some people it takes a little bit more. I have seen a lot of things occur pretty much instantly with people when they want to get better. When people ask me what's the best thing that they can do for their health and that they want to get better, look to bioenergetics. The energy of the world affects us every single day. Why would you not harness what we've been able to harness and use it in a more direct pattern? You're using energy that you don't even know about. Imagine if you knew more that could help your health. My name is Susan BOSTIAN. I run an integrative health practice in Nazareth, Pennsylvania.